Jeannie.
That was good weather.
It's warm up.
It's good, isn't it?
It is, Mr. James.
Ooh, that watermelon was good. That was a sweet one.
It's really good. Thank you.
Yes, you can. Well, I didn't know you could sing like that. You do a good job singing that best solo today.
Good Lord.
And you was a dang good preacher, but I didn't know you could sing that good.
You know, this is David Crockett's joy. Thank you, dear. Be careful with that knife.
I'm riding on a horse.
You give it to us if I cut myself. I'll get my lawyer contact. She, Renee was kidding about it. Cut those.
The neighbor.
I had to get her to sign, everybody sign this disclaimer. I talked to the children, said there's certain men, there's certain older things you don't say to them. This is one of them.
I'm about to get up and
That beautiful card.
I don't know what to do.
Really pleasing. And I need them. Shake hands with the
We didn't put anything in about the stamp, but we'll get that in there.
Okay.
I was going to say something about it. We'll have that.
I'm so proud of you. Hey.
Thank you.
Okay. I forgot about them myself when I told him about the labels. I thought about saying it some more like that.
You guys want to see a crucifixion, huh?
Not yours.
Yeah, good.
I'll have to play it day by day with
Okay,
Vacation Bible
Justin,
School.
that was one of the better ones.
You're welcome.
You know, the black church that was over here, back years ago, when it was a Methodist church.
Miss Dale.
I remember running into
Nice to have you here. Where you
the
live?
oldest.
Oh, the Queen one, two, take that.
The old factory bridge over there. There's a thing with the wheel, like, there's still some around here,
I
little
had my
lights in.
secondary in fact.
Big factory, oh man, over.
Yeah.
Now this was school, I was in the community that time, I said, oh, we at this church, this family filled up at the church, see. So somebody else, and at 12 o'clock come, the preacher could be preaching on, he'd say, okay, it's time to eat. And then when all this family got up, got in the wagon, went home.
You heard them, huh?
Otherwise, at 12 o'clock, they could preach long as they wanted to.
Well, that's the exception rather than the rule, I guarantee.
What are you meaning at?
Nat.
Well, is your problems looking better?
Not yet. I don't know anything till tomorrow.
That's what the court's happening.
Yeah. Keep me in your prayers.
Sure will.
I need a lot of wisdom, a lot of composure,
You know,
and a lot of favor.
this life is not perfect.
No, it's
I
not.
mean, this is, but people, your life, right, is just a people.
Yeah.
And there's no way around it. You're going to face it.
Well, I've really had relatively few bumps in the road as far as my work goes, you know, since I've been there 8 years. But this has really been a challenge.
Which makes me go back to somebody marrying the bride of life. Yesterday from Louis, how we Walmart, I didn't see anybody. She said, who knew about this white man has the big grandchild, who probably was. So what I would do, she tells me I couldn't accept it. I wouldn't want to accept it. But I look at it this way. I know redneck white people that I wouldn't want in my family.
Right. I heard that.
I know Chinese. It's not, it's stuck to me, but I think it's hard for anybody. What to look at those way around? They want the black family, don't want that white fellow in it. I mean, it's just a, something I was reading was in the people the way it's today.
And you stand on my own 2 feet.
Oh.
I have everything that you have everything.
Well, really nothing new. Thursday and Friday was a holiday. I think the Lord
that's
God
right.
gave us that. That was
The
wonderful.
achievements of all the blacks over the years. I first
And Stephanie
died at free basketball for the sales.
You have on the agenda to review that stuff with the commission. So I guess I'll make a decision.
How he got into it, but
I don't expect to be able to get anything resolved for 30 Monday morning for Stephanie at 9. So I don't know. What do you think for 9?
Couldn't go eat lunch with him. And that's not that was right. Oh, but it is not something to think about. But that's human nature. You find, you know.
I've just decided I have peace with it, whatever it is.
Big little thing. they have those, you know, they go back, they.
Either need to give me that responsibility and that authority to have
Whoever
over
works,
that part
he
of the
does.
agency.
Of course, that was just one illustration, because I don't, hopefully that will never become an issue for
That
us.
way,
It will,
it does not
it will one day,
violate
it will,
my
it will definitely will
ethical
because.
standards when they do it what they want to.
River Grand
But
Ocean
for me
Farms,
to
they
then
won,
to
she
tell
was
me
wrong.
how to do it,
Right,
and me not agree
You know, there's some families in church that would just about break their heart if one of their kids.
Well, but I say, I don't think there's anybody that would do the more it could happen, but it could happen, and you can't say you don't love them.
You definitely
Not
can't
one way or the other.
ostracize them,
Just a ripple
because
in
if
the
they ever
bucket,
need it,
a drop in the bucket.
Louis, you ready to go?
I guess,
You hungry?
not really.
Buffett's hungry, let's go take care of Buffett.
Okay.
You see Buffett's fixing the paper today?
No, I didn't look at the
Buffett's
paper
fixing the
today.
key and D, on the bridal
That
piece.
little,
Not she get bad, so you had that pictures.
Really? Looks like
The
that.
short, where they got these
that,
fuzzies.
I think it's got a shorter body.
Well, Buffett come along with, some of them mixed
That's
breed,
got
she had a
long-
lot
I
of
thought,
dogs.
I thought maybe he really had, she had really had a
You know,
picture.
it's just
They
a
had some
dog.
cute puppies in there once in a while.
Had long hair and long fur and
It
everything.
really didn't say what she was.
She couldn't have probably like Buffett, she got so many daddies and mamas that she don't know what she does. You'll have a good day.
You too. We gotta go.
Thank you now.
Bye-bye. Here.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Justin, you want me to go get a drop cord?
That's fine. I got 2 batteries. I just wanted to leave it sitting up to this process.
Where's the point of that?
It's hooked up to that light right there.
The house?
No, that light, the outside light by the door.
Oh, okay, okay. I haven't had thought about where that thing was hooked up to.
I had to go through all the all the houses, the rooms to figure out where it was at.
I know we've had a light out there before, but I never have thought about where it was, but that's just right there.
This guy here, what time he got? He said he gets very old and he went to,
How long it takes?
not use the phone.